Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your subscribers on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now all we need to do is just to change some privacy settings so we can hide our subscribers. So basically, you need just to go to your YouTube mobile app and basically we need to go to our account. By going here, we will need to go to the section or the settings section. And after that, we will need just to change some privacy settings. And that would allow us to change the privacy setting so we can be able to hide the subscribers from showing. And now, all we need to do is just to search for the privacy, and here we can find it. And basically, you will need just to search for the option that says subscription, and then you can hide all your subscriptions. And basically it does not appear in my case since I have the newest version of the YouTube. And basically for the older version it was available, and that's really depends on the version that you are using. And simply that was how you would be able to do it. And basically you would just need to change these privacy settings, and by going to your settings here and just click on the privacy, and you will find the subscription option. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.